In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce on WordPress fast and easy. Whether you want to set up an online store for digital downloads or physical products, WooCommerce is the tool that makes it all possible within your existing WordPress site. I'm here to guide you through every step of the process, so let's jump right in. To start, make sure you're signed into your WordPress account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your website. From here, you'll be able to access a variety of settings and plugins to enhance your site. Look to the left-hand menu on your dashboard and locate the Plugins option. This section of WordPress is essential for adding and managing various tools and functionalities for your site. Click on Plugins, and a new page will open, showing all the plugins that are currently installed and activated on your WordPress site. Now, what we want to do is add a new plugin. You'll see a button at the top of the page labeled Add New. Go ahead and click on this button to be taken to the plugin directory page. This is where you can browse thousands of plugins, both free and premium, that can be installed on your WordPress site. For today, our focus is on WooCommerce, a powerful, user-friendly e-commerce plugin designed to simplify the process of selling online. In the top right corner of the Add Plugins page, you will find a search box. Click inside this box and type in WooCommerce. Once you hit Enter, you should see the WooCommerce plugin right at the top of the search results. It's usually the most popular choice due to its reliability and the vast range of features it offers. Next, you will want to install WooCommerce. You'll notice an Install Now button next to the WooCommerce plugin. Click this button, and WordPress will automatically begin the installation process. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection, so feel free to stretch if needed. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Activating WooCommerce is an important final step because it allows the plugin to become live and operational on your site, enabling you to start configuring store settings, manage products, and set up payment gateways. Simply click Activate, and WooCommerce will be active on your site, ready for you to customize and set up as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and activated WooCommerce on your WordPress site. From here, you can start setting up your online store by adding products and organizing them into categories, configuring your payment methods, and tailoring the design to match your brand's aesthetics. Thanks for following along with me today. Feel free to explore WooCommerce's capabilities and watch our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site. Happy selling!